Hey, welcome to AlivePrintShop.com. We're your source for custom apparel. Welcome to today's demo. We're going to show you how fun and easy it is to place an order completely online. And first, I'd start off with the 5% discount that you can get when you sign up as a new customer. Put your email in and you'll receive newsletters and updates, and you'll get a code right away so you can take 5% off your first order. When you drop into our homepage, you're going to see two main buttons. You can either shop products, or you can fill out a form and I get a custom quote, and that's going to put you in contact with one of our account managers for custom projects. Today we're going to look at all the different options: t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, polos. We have a wide range of custom apparel, but we're going to do this how-to demo on a custom t-shirt. We'll select custom t-shirts, and then you're going to see a wide range of different options from Next Level, Bella Canvas, Gildan, Lane 7, all of our favorite t-shirts. Hey, know this, when you place an order with a live print shop, every single order gets reviewed by a professional designer, and we're going to send you a proof to review before your order goes to print. This ensures every order is printed right. First, we're going to select a t-shirt. Once you select a product, there's 4 steps that you need to follow in order to place an order online. It's very fun and easy. First, you're going to select the shirt color. When you select the different color swatches, it'll actually change the shirt color, but today we're going to go with a light blue. That's our first selection. Second, after you've selected your shirt color, you're going to go to your decoration method. We're going to choose screen printing. We're going to have a front print on this t-shirt, and we want all of the shirts individually folded and bagged so they're just organized when they show up. If you scroll down to the decoration details, you can see all the different options. Printed label allows you to add your company logo to the inside neck for a clothing brand. Screen printing, embroidery, heat transfer. We have a wide range of different decoration methods, but today we're going to do a screen printed front design on this t-shirt. After you select the shirt color and your product decoration method, you're going to add your sizes. We're going to start off with 15 small, 35 medium, 35 large, and 20 extra large. When you place an order online, there's just a minimum of 36 pieces, and you can mix and match different sizes. After you've selected your sizes, you're going to see your unit price and then the total price for the order. The last step is to upload your design. We're going to upload our company logo, and after you've uploaded your file, you're going to see a note section pop up where you can leave notes about your design. We want to know the placement, the size, and more details to make sure we can really bring your design alive. This was going to be a front print. I would like this design to be 10 inches wide. And we're going to let the team know that it's going to be a 2-color print. It's going to be black and white. Both colors are going to look great on this light blue shirt. If you don't have your design ready, you can actually skip this step and you can email us later. And we'd recommend choosing a file type like a PDF, an AI, or some type of vector file. After you've added your items to cart, you can do one last review. Please double check, make sure the quantities are right, check the shirt color of the product. Here's one thing that's great is once you add your items to cart, this is where the volume discount is going to apply. See, we're over 72 quantities, so we're going to get a special discount that applies. Anytime you're over 50, 72, 144, 300 or more, you'll see special volume discounts that apply to your order. Next, we'll go to the checkout page. This is the last and final step. Here, you could apply that discount code, sign up for our newsletter, and get 5% off. It makes it really great, save a lot of money. And then you can choose if you want your order shipped. We shipped nationwide across the United States, or you can pick up locally right here in Las Vegas. Thanks so much for going through this how to place an order, and we'd love to work with you in the future.